Butter feels simple.
But one small change turns liquid into solid.
So how does this become butter?
This is the journey behind each bite. Butter begins the same way many foods do, with milk. To make butter, the milk must be fresh, clean, and carefully collected. Cooling slows change and protects the milk's natural fat.
For butter, fat content matters more than anything else.
For butter, we are looking for milk with a strong, stable fat profile.
This milk is headed to the next step, where butter truly begins. Next, the milk will be separated, and the path to butter becomes clear.
Once the milk arrives, the focus shifts to separating its most valuable part, the fat.
The milk is fed into a high-speed separator. Spinning forces heavier and lighter parts of the milk apart. The lighter, fat-rich cream is pulled away from the rest of the milk.
This cream is set aside specifically for butter.
This is where we decide how rich the butter will be. Quality control is paramount in cream processing.
Now the cream is ready for the next step, turning it into butter. Before cream can become butter, it has to be stabilized.
The cream is gently heated to control bacteria and enzymes. The cream stays at this temperature just long enough to be made safe. After heating, the cream is cooled quickly to protect its structure. Now the cream is safe, stable, and ready to change. Next comes the moment that changes everything: churning.
For some butter, the cream is allowed to rest before churning. In some styles, cultures are added to gently develop flavor.
Nothing dramatic happens here. Flavor develops slowly.
This step adds depth, not volume.
Ripening gives the butter a richer character.
Now the cream is ready for the moment that changes its form. This is the moment where cream begins to change. Churning breaks the balance that holds cream together. As the cream is agitated, fat begins to stick to fat. Once the fat connects, butter forms almost instantly. What's left behind is butter. The liquid becomes buttermilk. The butter collects into a single mass.
This is the exact moment cream becomes butter.
From this point, the butter is carefully washed to remove any remaining buttermilk.
Now that butter has formed, it needs to be cleaned and shaped. After churning, the remaining liquid is drained away.
To improve texture and shelf life, the butter is washed. Washing removes traces of buttermilk that could shorten freshness.
After washing, the butter is cleaner and more stable.
Working the butter smooths its texture and evens out moisture.
This step gives butter its familiar consistency.
This is what gives butter its smooth, spreadable feel.
Now the butter is ready for its final touch. At this stage, the butter is ready for seasoning.
For salted butter, precise amounts of salt are added.
The butter is mixed until the salt is evenly spread.
Some butter is left unsalted by design. After seasoning, texture and consistency are checked one last time.
Salt changes flavor, but also how butter keeps.
The butter now rests, its journey from cream to golden product nearly complete. Now the butter is ready to take its final shape.
Once seasoning is complete, the butter is ready to be shaped.
The butter is shaped into familiar blocks. Blocks are portioned into sizes made for kitchens and tables. Wrapping protects butter from air and light.
Each package is labeled before leaving the factory.
Before storage, every package is checked.
The butter is boxed for cold storage and delivery. Now the butter is ready to leave the factory.
Before shipping, butter is held cold to protect its texture and flavor.
From the factory, butter enters the cold chain. Temperature control continues every mile of the journey. Before reaching stores, butter passes through distribution centers.
Finally, the butter reaches the store. A simple choice, supported by careful handling from start to finish. At the end of the journey, butter becomes part of everyday life.
At the end of the journey, butter becomes something simple again.
From milk to motion, from cream to care, this is the journey behind each bite.
Every food has a journey.